Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be about how to log into Pace University as a student. For that, the first thing that you'll have to do is open up Google Chrome or a browser of your choice, and then in the search bar you must type in Pace Directory. That is Pace Directory, and hit go or enter. Tap on the first link, tap on search results, scroll down, and then make sure that campus, and then make sure that you're searching for a student, and then make sure that you're searching for students only. After that, you'll get your username. After you've got your username, you can head over to adam.pace.edu to activate your account. That is adam.edu, and then hit go or enter on your keyboard. If you're in a mobile browser, you may have to zoom in and then tap on account activation. Zoom in one more time and then tap on begin activation, and follow the on-screen steps by entering your username, password, and hitting login. After you've activated your account, you can head back over to the home page. Tap on login at the top right of the screen. And then enter your username and password to log into your account. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.